This is Edward. I'm up here in American Fork Canyon, which is by American Fork, Utah, which is north of Provo and south of Salt Lake City. I'm down in, of course, one of the canyons that are part of the Wasatch Range in the Utah Valley. Anyway, arrived here and I'm going to do a little bit of scouting, and I'm going to check and see if there's anything that I might want to take videos of. So I'll join you here in a second if I find something. Okay? Well, I found the first possibility. I'm going to show you, we got some different kinds of leaves. It looks like we got some ash and some maple and so forth that have been lodged in this spruce tree. I'm going to show you this. I think I'm going to take a picture of that one. This tree right here in front of me. Got one branch off to the right here. I don't know, it's kind of close, especially looking up here with these side branches coming off. But I'm going to try to get a picture of that. I kind of like the stark look of the brown, kind of light brown, against the white snow in the background. So that's another picture I'm going to take. Okay, got the camera set up right here. I got my trusty old Nikon D850 with the 24-70 version 1 non-VR lens, and sitting on my Leo Photo ball head, and this also tilt shift device made by Leo Photo, and sitting on top of my tripod. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to move over here and see what kind of pictures I can take here. You know, it's a nice day. It's about right around probably about 30 degrees up here in the canyon, and so that's a nice weather. It's not too unpleasant, it's not too cold, but I'm gonna take my first picture here, so excuse me while I get set up. Okay, I think it's set right there. Pretty happy with this composition. It'd be nice if I could be a little bit higher, but that's okay. I got the snow. And then let me show you this. Got snow on the right hand side here, up here, down in here a little bit, and we got the different leaves right through there. And that's what I wanted to get is, and it's set at 1/15 of a second, f11, ISO 100. Okay, and it's at 70 millimeter end. So I'm going to go ahead and take this picture. And let's see what it looks like when it pops up. Oh, very nice. Let's see what it looks like. Very good detail on the leaves. Look at that. That's a really nice picture. Very nice. Very, very, very nice. Nothing better to bring in winter time with a picture like this. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go over to this tree with the canyon maple with the leaves on it and see what kind of pictures I can get. Sorry about the background noise. I still have cars going up and down here. But anyway, let's go see what we can get here. Okay, when I'm setting this up here, I don't want to get the sky. You take a look at the sky here. So I'm going to try to bring it down some and get more of the base of the tree. I'm going to go ahead and adjust it. You know, I'm not doing a very good job here juggling. Let me get this set up here and I'll show you what I got. Okay, I think that's what I have right there. I like that. It's cutting out the sky. You get the base. You got most of the leaves in there, because most of the leaves are the bottom 2/3 of the tree or bottom half of the tree. And so I think that will be a nice image. Again, I'm shooting at 1/40th of a second, f11 at ISO 100. Let's go ahead and take a picture here. I'm going to put it on self timer. Okay, and let's snap a picture. Okay, let's take a look here and see what it looks like. Very nice, very, very nice. Like this. Turned out really nice. I'm going to take another one just for integrity's sake. Okay. I think that turned out really nice here. So now I'm going to go down by the creek, river, whatever you want to call it, and I'm going to see what kind of pictures I can get there. Well, I'm down by the creek. Let me show you what I see. I just heard a little bird call. I wonder if there's might be a water ouzel, a western dipper in the area. Huh. It went up a little bit farther. I just heard it call again. It's calling above me, so that's not what a western dipper would do. So I'm going to be on the lookout for it. If I can get some pictures of that, I'm going to go to. Ooh, I just saw something over on the creek, over on a rock. So I might have a water ouzel here. Ooh, man, if that would be a treat and a half if I could get that. So we shall see. I'm going to be on the lookout here. If it comes back this way, I'm going to go get the big lens and see what I can find. Anyway, here's the picture that I have. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and snap that. I might be stopping down a little bit here because I want the water to blur some. So I'm going to go down. So let's see here. I'm going to go up to f22, 1/6 of a second. And I might decrease my ISO. Let's take it down to low. So it takes it down to 1/2 a second here. And let's go ahead and snap this picture. I know people worry about diffraction, but in this case, I'm not really too worried about that. I'm more interested in seeing what we have here. Oh, very nice. The only thing I don't like about this image is right in here, we got these tree branches sticking up. I might have to go in and Photoshop it. Let me go ahead and try, see if I can zero in here. I think that might be a nicer image. So I'm going to go ahead and take a picture here. Oh, very, very nice. Very, very nice. Okay, I want to go down and try to get some pictures of the snow on logs and so forth. So I'm going to take and move my position, go and try to get some video and some pictures of snow on the logs in the river. So let's see what we come up with here. Okay, I arrived. Let me show you what I have here. See that log right there with the snow on it, and the branch coming up right here. Okay, I like that. So I zeroed in. Let me show you what's on the back of the camera. That's what I have set up right there. And I'm going to go ahead and take the picture. Oh, very nice. You know, that turned out really, really nice. Okay, so I'm going to go down just past that log, set up along the stream, and see if I can get some video of the water coming down through there. So let's see where we get now. Next, I'm going to turn around. I'm going to look downstream. I'm going to take a panel of this as well, and I'm going to share that with you. You know, after I get to finish with that, I think I'm pretty much done for today. I have some errands I have to go run, pick up a car with change new tires on it and so forth. So anyway, I wanted to make this quick video and show you what it looks like here in the mountains of Utah during the winter time. After, I think this is basically the second snow, well, probably the biggest snow we've had year to date. Okay, so today is the 2nd of December. So I'm going to turn around here and compose this image, shoot some video, and make a panel of it as well. Okay, my last place, I decided to move. I went up the creek a little ways farther, and I'm shooting this image right here. So I'm gonna take a picture of it, and I'm also going to shoot video. So I think that's it for today. So let me go ahead and do that, and I'll share this with you. And just had 3 water dippers fly by me. So I know where I'm gonna come and try to shoot some video of these water dippers. Yeah, they're having fun. There's one sitting on a rock right in front of me. Probably can't see it. It's right over here. Yes, I know where I'm going to come. So anyway, here we go. Thanks for joining me. If you like this video, please subscribe and let me know what you think. You know, I appreciate any positive feedback. Thank you.